Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 13 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon, it should be somewhere here or here. And if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here like that. And here we've got the recents. So all we have to do right now is to simply tap on clear all. We just got back to the home page, so let's open the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.